What is up, mga tech shop? For today's video, I have here a laptop, an Acer Swift 3. Customer forgot the password, and when I tried to troubleshoot the issue, I found another issue where laptop shuts off itself because of overheating. So just stay tuned on the video. I'm gonna show you how I fixed it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and check the links on the description below. And let's get it on.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off.
So the complete model number of this laptop is SF31441G R9QL. So basically, the customer brought this laptop to my shop, and he said that password is no longer working. It's not accepting the password. So I troubleshoot the laptop, and I couldn't remove the password. So we both agreed that we would just reinstall Windows for his laptop. So when I was attempting to reinstall the Windows 11, the laptop shuts off itself like after 11 seconds. I did a troubleshooting. I removed the USB attached to the laptop, and still it's shutting off itself after a few seconds. So when I check the bottom of the laptop, it's too hot. The temperature is too hot, and there could be that the cause of the auto shutdown is because of the laptop is overheating. So I decided to disassemble the laptop. As you can see in the video, I'm not pressing anything, and it shuts off itself. And by the way, this is a 5-year-old laptop, and the battery is no longer working, so we'll have to keep the charger attached to the laptop in order for us to use it. And the keyboard is no longer working as well, so we use an external keyboard. I also checked the hard drive, and this laptop is only using a regular hard drive. I advise the customer to use SSD, but for now, we'll just use a regular hard drive. So I cleaned up the motherboard, and to fix the overheating issue, I cleaned up the heatsink and fan on the laptop, and also I applied thermal paste on the CPU and on the graphics chip.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it?
Let's put back the fan and the heatsink, and as well as the hard drive. Let's put back the back cover. And this laptop is using a special screw, so you cannot use a regular screwdriver. So since we cleaned up the sink and the fan, laptop is no longer shutting down, so we can proceed with reinstalling Windows. and I installed Windows 11 with this laptop.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do
Alright,
for it? How you
let's
gonna
go.
move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it?
Alright, as you can see, I've completed the installation of Windows 11. If you're interested, just check on the link on the description. I put in all the tools that I've used on my repairs. Also, check on the Involve Asia link. It's gonna help you earn extra money. And there's a link on the description where installing Windows 11 without Microsoft account. So you might want to check that one as well. It helped me a lot in installing Windows 11. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe and enable the notification bell, and so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Peace.